Want to build muscle, stay lean, or just eat healthier, without spending a fortune? Meal prepping high-protein meals is the smartest way to save time, save money, and hit your fitness goals. Here's exactly how to meal prep a full week of protein-packed food, on a tight budget. Let's break it down. Step 1. Know your protein target. Most people aiming to build or maintain muscle need about 1.5 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So, if you weigh 80 kilos, you're looking at around 130 to 160 grams of protein per day. That sounds like a lot, but it's easy once you plan it right. Step 2. Pick budget-friendly protein sources. Forget fancy powders and expensive steak. Here are some of the best affordable high-protein options: chicken thighs, cheaper than breast, canned tuna or salmon, whole eggs, Greek yogurt, red lentils and chickpeas, cottage cheese, lean mince when on special, frozen white fish or hoki fillets, tofu or tempeh for plant-based diets. Bonus tip: look for markdowns or bulk buys at your local shops. Freeze what you won't use right away. Step 3. Plan your meals before shopping. Pick 2 to 3 simple meals you can rotate throughout the week. Here are some cheap, high-protein ideas: chicken and rice bowls with mixed frozen veg, tuna pasta with Greek yogurt and mustard dressing, egg and lentil curry with brown rice, cottage cheese wraps with salad and chili flakes, mince and beans, taco bowls. Breakfast could be overnight oats with protein powder, scrambled eggs and toast, Greek yogurt with fruit, seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Snacks: boiled eggs, low-fat cheese sticks, peanut butter on rice cakes, protein smoothies with banana and oats. Step 4. Batch cook once or twice a week. Meal prep is all about making life easier. Choose 1 or 2 prep days, like Sunday and Wednesday. Use that time to cook in bulk, bake or grill your protein, boil your carbs like rice or pasta, portion everything into containers, label and store for easy grab-and-go meals. Refrigerate what you'll eat in 3 days, and freeze the rest to avoid waste. Step 5. Track your protein to stay consistent. Use free apps like MyFitnessPal, Chronometer, or even a Notes app to log your meals. This helps you avoid guessing and ensures you're actually hitting your protein goals. Once you've prepped for a couple weeks, it becomes second nature. Bonus tips: add lentils or beans to stretch meals further. Use spices and sauces to keep it exciting. Reuse ingredients across multiple meals to save more. Meal prepping isn't just for athletes. It's for students, busy workers, and anyone who wants to eat well on a budget. You'll save money, avoid last-minute junk food, and always have a solid meal ready to go. That's how you meal prep high-protein meals, the smart, affordable way. So grab a shopping list, plan your meals, and get prepping. You've got this. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who lives off takeaway.